Here we are at
I don't get none.
Travis, what is it called here?
This place is called the Commodore.
We're outside of the Commodore.
Yeah, but it's birds of a feather.
With birds of a feather.
That's right.
Food truck company. And this, y'all, it was so good I forgot to vlog it.
Living a dream.
But anyway.
Y'all not getting none.
Sorry. This is what we're having. We're having chicken fajita, macaroni and cheese with turkey burgers. These turkey burgers are stuffed with an amazing ingredient. Well, amazing ingredients. I cannot tell because I will be giving away his secret.
What are you doing?
You'll have to come and find out. Right? We are in downtown Charleston, late night.
6 pictures on your phone.
Where people are hanging out, having fun.
You took on my phone.
At the, what again? What is this again? The Commodore Live Music with birds of a feather. He is on point, y'all. Master Chef Travis with birds of a feather. Y'all, I just knocked my plate and it flipped and something fell and I swear I thought I lost my burger, but it was still in my hand.
You didn't drop your burger.
Oh, God have mercy.
Oh, right.
On the menu tonight, birds of a feather. They have turkey burger sliders. Turkey burger sliders. Okay. Open the top of the burger. Turkey burger sliders with roasted chicken, fajita, mac and cheese. Y'all.
This is so good.
I will tell you that one of the ingredients inside of this turkey burger, you can't get any more healthier than that.
It's turkey.
Spinach.
Are you for real?
Yes, there was spinach. There was spinach inside of it. Yes.
I love the burger.
Here's Kaden enjoying her plate.
By the way,
Yum 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 yum.
there's some macaroni under my
I want to know macaroni.
Kaden, Cassidy, a trip. Cassidy said the macaroni under this is mine. It's good, y'all. It has a nice little spicy kick to it.
No, don't. Hey, one of these things.
Well, mine did just now. I tasted it. It does have an ingredient that does add a spicy little kick to it.
Chili?
No.
Barbecue.
Nope. Oh, and it's topped with barbecue sauce. It is so good.
I can tell. I can.
This is so good. They drunk must be.
It's a club.
Yeah, because you can hear them screaming and stuff, and they like.
I told you it would be fun to sit out here and watch people come out of the spot.
They talking about some get out and park the car.
Spicy.
It's going down out here with birds of a feather.
What?
Look, they giving hugs. They drunk.
It's going down, y'all. It's so good. Yum, yum,
I'm still
yum.
eating.
Come and get you some.
Aaron,
I have spinach in my teeth.
I'm taking my fish out and eating it. Aaron, will you hand me the plate?
Here. Yum, yum, yum. Come and get you some. These young ladies did.
Awesome. We were getting something in Raleigh, North Carolina, but then
Raleigh, girl. Raleigh.
They're rolling.
Say, roll up at Raleigh.
All right. So that's our food vlog for tonight. Downtown Charleston.
it was like a
Peace.
minute long. Sorry, guys.